In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Ibrahim Ashraf Khan and you are watching Ashraf's Botanical Garden. Viewers, today I am showing you a very famous house plant or indoor plant. This plant is called the Dieffenbachia, sometimes incorrectly pronounced as Dieffenbachia, but the real pronunciation is Dieffenbachia. This is native to Mexico and West Indies, south to Argentina. Viewers, this plant belongs to a raceyi family. Viewers, you can see it has beautiful leaves having different colors like white, cream and yellow with green. Viewers, this plant is a tough plant, though not as tough as the mother-in-law's tongue, but it can bear sufficient amount of neglect. Here you can see the beauty of this plant. Here this plant also flower, but the flowering is very far and few between, once in a while, and I am lucky to show you this plant flowering. From my botanical garden you can see the flower. The flowers are not so beautiful as the leaves. Here there are different varieties like Dieffenbachia picta exotica, Dieffenbachia picta camella, Dieffenbachia oerstedii, Dieffenbachia amona. Here there are few names to remember. Here you can see the beauty of this plant. As far as the care and propagation of this plant is concerned, viewers, you can propagate this either by dividing this bushy plant or by cutting the stem or can. You can see the markings. From 5 centimeters length you can cut the stems and then insert these stems half into the well composted soil, and within several weeks there may be these sprouts which starts. But 3 to 4 things must be remembered. That one, you should, after cutting and putting the stems in the soil, you should provide the plant the warm temperature, regular watering, indirect sunlight and regular feeding once in a month with well composted soil. Whereas the common name of this Dieffenbachia plant is the dump can or leopard lily. The reason behind the dump can name is that all parts of this Dieffenbachia plant contains microscopic calcium oxalate needle-like crystals which are known as the varieties. These are very irritating. When someone accidentally come in contact with the sap of this plant or chew anybody or animal, then the tongue and mouth gets swollen, and sometimes the swelling is so much that one cannot talk, and that is the reason it is called the dump can. So always wear the gloves. While handling this plant, especially when repotting. And if accidentally the sap is come in contact with the sap, then immediately wash your hands. So viewers, you have known a lot of information about this unique and beautiful plant. So stay tuned to Ashraf Botanical Garden. Keep watching my videos and get enriched with the knowledge of plants and nature in an entertaining way. Allah Almighty keep you happy ever.